Oh, my mic is on. Okay. Hello everyone. So it's been a long, I think it's been a few years I've started streaming. I started with game streaming. Now it's not game, but it's code streaming. So let's see how this goes. This is kind of new. So I need to check these mics and everything. This is the first time, so I hope everyone's able to hear me. Can you guys hear me? Yeah, new beginnings. Uh, but yeah, if something's wrong with my mic, please let me know. I'm watching the chat also. So give me a minute. Okay, let's start today's, not today's, but maybe a couple of weeks or months. I'm not sure, but this is the beginning where we'll be starting something from scratch, and I also don't know what I'm gonna start, but yeah, something new and something maybe exciting. Let's hope for the best application we'll do on live. I'm not gonna touch much, everything is using AI, so let's see how we'll do this. Okay, I got some bots added. Wait. Okay, so to start this, okay, we are gonna use open code, which is a free open source AI agent. So we'll start with that. Okay, so okay, let's start planning. Okay, I'm gonna pick a model. So currently we have Big Pickle, DeepSeek. So I'm just gonna go with Big Pickle for now, and let's start with some fun project idea creations. Okay, okay. So let's start with Google. We'll first start with Google. So my tab is just stopping. Okay. Okay, I want to. No, I don't have any ideas. Let's just curate ideas. I don't have anything. Something which is new, exciting. Maybe you guys could suggest something. I don't know. Let's see. I want to build a million $1 million app. I don't know. I'm just typing something. Okay. To hit the $1 million milestone, you need to clear business. You need a clear business plan and must execute 4 specific steps. Validate a problem. Build a mini MVP. Optimize subscription, freemium revenue model. Scale through organic content or paid advertising. Great. I don't have much advertising knowledge. So maybe MVP, maybe we could do that. Till that, maybe we can do. Let's see how that goes. So let's ask Google itself to give some combinations. Can you give some unique ideas for quickly 2026? I don't want to solve any problem. We always solve problems. We are not gonna solve problems. We are gonna test AI. I don't know if we'll solve problems. To reach $1 million run rate quickly and okay. AI driven localized B2B micro SaaS. WhatsApp native AI booking. An app privacy first. Privacy first personal data vaults. An app that locally encrypts a user's health, financial browsing data, letting them selectively rent it to companies for rewards. No code ERP apps. Mobile first AI system. Okay. See, whatever I try, AI is gonna push me to build some another AI wrapper or a AI related app. Maybe that's the trend now. But I just want something fun. I want people to just try to play with it, use it every day, not just every day, like something to feel more retentive. Maybe I want more retention, and not another social media, but yeah, something very retentive. Maybe let's try something like that. Anti-doom scroll. Duel, a social habit breaking app that turns screen time reduction into multiplayer wager. Users pair up with a friend, partner, or random opponent to battle head to head. Both select problem. Instead on TikTok, the person who uses it the least during a day wins points. Users not. Okay. I think this is interesting. But what's this? Pitball, visual micromanager, daily mood and memory canvas designed for people who hate writing traditional journals. Every day at a random time, users get a notification to drop one single image, a 3-word phrase, and a color gradient representing their day. The app converts these daily spitballs into a beautiful interactive, evolving digital quilt or 3D calendar. Mhm. User can share a shared canvas with close friends or partners to see a visual mashup of how their inner circles are feeling in real time, completely ad free. Hmm. This seems to be good, but this one was electoral okay. This I'm not sure. We'll maybe try this. And what's this? Side quest, real life RPG, a location agnostic micro adventure app that treats daily real world routines like an open world game. Users open the app to find three completely random low stake side quests generated for their day. Example, drink a coffee from a place you've never been, find something yellow outside, compliment a stranger's shoes. Hmm. This looks good, but I think that's again AI. I don't know, whatever we do, it's just going through AI, and I don't want to go through AI, but I want to use AI. So maybe we'll just use Spitball. Huh? Let's try Spitball then. Let's just take this and let's ask open code, or we'll just ask a prompt to Google to create a prompt for open code. So can you create a plan mode prompt for open code difficult to create context and start. Let's see what it will do. The structure, okay. That's a big one. You are an expert software architect and lead full stack engineer. We are initiating plan mode to design and build a more mobile first application called Spitball. A low AI, so no AI. So of course it's low AI. Great. High retention visual micro journal. Do not write the implementation code yet. Instead, analyze the product requirements below. Establish the technical architecture. Map the database. Outline API service surface. Structure a phased development roadmap. Okay. Product specification Spitball. Core concept: a daily mood and memory canvas for people who dislike traditional tasks, traditional text journaling. Okay, let's just copy this. I think I can read all this things. That's a lot of big prompt. Okay, let's ask open code. Let's see what it will do. Daily mood and memory canvas. Okay, core loop hook. Push notification fires once a day at a random time. The user has a window to upload exactly one single image captured or uploaded. Okay, that's the same thing, right? Three-word phrase, a custom color gradient selection. Okay. Okay, technical preferences and guardrails, cross-platform, mobile. Oh, I wasn't expecting a mobile one. To ensure native push notification, reliability, and smooth 2D 3D canvas rendering. Backend, lightweight, scalable backends for base or Firebase to handle fast media storage, authentication, and real-time database syncing for shared canvases. Good. Minimalist, snappy, and tactile. Okay. Fluid gestures, haptic feedback, vibrant color renderings. Strictly avoid bloatware or heavy AI pipelines. Correct. That's the last one is what I want. Tasks for plan mode execution. Please process this kind of architectural setup and okay, but I didn't want mobile app. I want web app. Okay, let's ask later. Oh, it already is picking that. What is the target launch platform? There is a web push hardware and implemented in FCP, APNs or Expo Unified Testing Strategy and print product format. Okay. Let's not maybe go with push notification. Let's build a web app maybe. I would like to make a web app PWA, not onto mobile. What is your Superbase plan? The random notification scheduling engine requires PG cron. It needs Superbase Pro. Oh, free tier lacks cron jobs and has stricter edge function limits. I don't want anything. Open to Firebase. Okay. Firebase has built-in cloud scheduler. Trade-off loses Superbase real-time DB. Okay. Hi Kaushik. Thank you. Big fan. Okay. Okay, I just want free alternative or just one that featured. I also want to switch to Firebase. Okay, not Superbase. Yeah, I'm a Firebase guy, so I'm not gonna go with Superbase at this point. What is the team size and timeline? This affects state management choice, the standard redux and phase granularity. Yeah, I will take solo dev, the stand, expo. Why expo Superbase? Okay, I am solo dev. I just want to use Next.js. Okay, Next.js, Firebase. Yeah, I guess that's it. Okay, review. Okay, let's confirm. Okay, let's see what's gonna happen. Okay, let's see. So it's building something. Okay, architectural setup and tech stack, front end, Next.js 14 plus. SSR for SEO, API routes, backend logic, built-in PWA support, styling, Tailwind CSS, rapid UI, consistent design. Okay. Okay.
So styling tailwinds uses rapid yoga consistent design. State management, just and stuck query. 1.2 के bundle, perfect for solo, local UI and stuck for Firebase data caching. Why do we need data? Okay, and ask for. Okay, it's building a 100% perfect app. Okay, backend database, Firebase, Firestore, real-time business for circles. Circles. What is circles? PTR, 50k reads per day. Okay, authentication, social. Okay, Firebase auth. Okay, file storage, serverless image, personal deviation, cron. Runs every minute 6 times and groups. Okay. 1000 plus images without canvas complexity. CSS grid plus React Virtuoso. What's React Virtuoso? Okay, that's new. What's that? The most complete React virtualization library for lists, grids, tables, and chat interface. How is this open source? Interesting. Hey, how old is this? Okay. Okay, how's my mic? I think there is a bit of noise. I'm gonna test it. A lot of noise or Well, I guess that noise is not a problem. So I think this is interesting. I didn't use this library before. Seems to be new. Okay, when was this created? Last published 5 days ago. Hmm. Huh, 7 years. Interesting. Okay, this is new. I didn't know about this library before. Okay, I guess that's fine. To render virtualized rendering for 1000 plus images without canvas complexity, CSS 3D transforms for calendar view, print integration, Postgres free, webhook based order tracking, global thing. What is it trying to build? Why do we need print APIs? What's happening? Okay, I copied the wrong one. Prodigy print API. What does that do? All everywhere integrating print on demand, drop shipping into your. Oh my god, it's going to create a full-on commercial app. I thought it's just going to create something else. Oh, payments, Stripe, checkout sessions, PWA. Oh my god, it's creating a lot. What did we say here? Okay, core evolving quilt. Okay, that's fine. Private invite only group circles where friends view a real-time aggregated visual mosaic of how. Okay. At free base tier revenue via high margin print API, allowing users to export their annual quilt as physical mosaic. Oh my god, I didn't ask for this. It's just it's just giving everything. Okay. So we're gonna turn this into a real app or something. Oh my god. Okay, I'm not gonna do all the things. I'm just gonna go with a simple MVP. No prints, no payments at this point. Okay, the projects are structure. Spitball, okay, public messaging is okay. Source app, auth, main canvas, circle ID, entry settings, API, cron, notifications, push, subscribe. Okay. Okay, database schema, UID, string from Firebase auth, email, display name, photo. Okay, this is just users. Okay, fine. Spitballs. Okay, blah, blah, blah. Okay, I'm not gonna go through everything. Like the time's gonna go off. I know this is just a step to set up everything, but still, hey, we are gonna use AI, so everything it will take care. We'll just see. We'll just be the end user. We'll just try it out. We'll just test it out. That's it. We don't. Oh my god, it gave a lot of stuff to read. Oh my goodness, it's not gonna happen now. We are just gonna do as if we are reading privacy policies or terms and conditions. We are just gonna go dive in, but we'll just say I don't want any payment flows, any paid APIs, or any print APIs at this point. The MVP should be fully digital. Okay, let's see what it will do. Alright, fully digital MVP, no commerce layer. Let me strip the blueprint down accordingly. With payments print removed, the MVP covers daily spitball entry, image plus 3 words, gradient, personal quilt grid, circles with real-time shared canvas, random daily notifications. Does this not show? Okay, yeah, that's fine. But I think notifications will take up. I don't know if it will take up Firebase. I think I need to give a Firebase cloud account for it. I believe. Let's see. This is just a small app. I don't think it will cost much. So, who's gonna be the users? I'm the only user. Maybe one or two. Let's see. That's the MVP. Circles can wait. Notifications can wait. Huh. I'm thinking, should we stop notifications at this point or? Okay, skip notifications. Okay, let's go with notifications. I want to see that interactivity. The notification should be very interactive, right? So let's go with it. For the random daily notification on a free Firebase tier, cloud scheduler requires the Blaze plan. Why do you need a cloud scheduler? Alternative: schedule notifications client side using the browser's notification API. Service worker, fully free but less reliable. User must keep browser open all alternate at least once for SW to register. Okay, now I'm gonna skip this. I don't want that. That's a lot of work. I don't want it. That's the reason why web apps are not great for push notifications, but yeah, the usage mobile apps are best for push notifications. You don't need much to get those notifications up and running, but yeah. Okay, let's confirm. Let's see what it will say. Okay, so okay, it's just creating. Okay, it's just revisiting our old architectural plan. Okay, it removed everything related to subscriptions, Stripe, and print API. So first and proposal plus file. Okay, save it. Okay, I guess that. Oh, no 3Js. Yeah. Okay, so that's good. I guess let's start. Let's first start with our core of the application. Okay, I believe this doesn't have much of we don't have much of it, so let's just try to see. Oh, we are in the thread, so we don't have anything, so I just ask it to build a new project and initiate a new project in this folder. Should we change the folder name? Let's just go with that. I'll just change it later. Maybe it will struggle if we ask. Let's see. Initiate a new project with mixtures in this folder. Let's see what will it do. Okay, it's trying to execute. Okay, npx create next app latest TypeScript tailwind. Okay, yeah, TypeScript tailwind ESLint app source directory alias. Use npm. No, I don't want npm. Okay. npm on execute the following package is not found. Will be installed. Create next tab 16.2.1. Oh, is that what's new? I don't know. What's the latest version? Oh, correct. So that's good. But I'm just gonna change npm to pnpm. So npm install Firebase, just and React query, React virtuoso. Is it having a paid plan? I'm not sure. So is having a paid plan or not? Pricing. Okay, I don't want this. Almighty license free forever. And it is about via GitHub. What is this? 1 year access to updates, email based support. Oh, okay. Virtualized message list component for React build specifically human chatbot conversations. Virtualized rendering, declarative scroll control, automatic scroll on. I don't think we'll use this. We're not doing any chat here, so I guess that should be fine. Okay, so it installed all the necessary types. UUID. Why do we need UUID? Okay, it's just creating random stuff. Why do we need UUID? I think isn't Firebase gonna give us UUID? I think it should give. Okay. So I just created types in my library folder, config, client, fine, just stand for app state, users. Okay, only user is here, fine. Oh, env local also, great. Image compression. I thought there was a library for image compression. Best library for image compression. I think we could use Sharp, right? Like Next.js. I think we could use Sharp directly. Why do we need a new library? Yeah, we could use Sharp. I think I used Sharp in another project once. I don't think we need this. Hi, who is this? SKTQ4N. Hi, thanks for joining again. Who is this? I don't see your name there. Okay, gradient palette. Why do I need gradient palettes there? Okay. Okay. Image capture. Handle drop, drag over, drag leave. Okay, this is just to upload one. Okay, this is just to upload. Okay, fine. Word input. Okay. Why do we need to use this like this? Let's just go and open VS Code. Maybe it's already created, so let's just open VS Code. Created agents. Okay, I think this is by Next.js. Fine. Cloud. We are not using Cloud. Why Cloud is created? not going to use that. Okay. Yes, I trust. Thank you. Okay. We're just gonna quilt cell button image. Why is it? Oh, I didn't specify. Okay, I didn't specify any library. Just making it from there. Okay. That's a lot of code. My god. Settings, I guess it's bootstrapping the whole app now. I don't know how much usage I'm gonna be getting by this, but that's a lot. Navigation, what is this? Concrete plus. Why do you need to use all this? You can use whatever icon pack, right? I guess. I think. Oh, we are not using Shatsian. If we use Shatsian, it would have been faster and easier. Should have said first. My bad. Hi Praneeth. Bootstrap and not Tailwind. Wonder why? No, it's not using Bootstrap. It's just okay. I said it's bootstrapping the app, not using Bootstrap. I'm just saying that it's bootstrapping the app with its own Tailwind classes and everything. But I should have mentioned Shatsian in the first place. It's just gonna create a lot of code now. Great. Okay, it's doing some type check. That's fine. Okay, we'll switch this to Shatsian later. Let's just see what it's gonna do with bare Tailwind. Let's see what it's gonna do. I'm wondering how much. I believe it will work, but I'm not sure about the a lot of slop it might create just for the sake of it to work, which I'm not sure if it how much will it actually gonna work. Let's see. Two issues. Firebase client in terms. Oh, I need to. Oh, okay. I need to add a Firebase app. Okay, I'll start the app in just a minute. I'll be right back then. Okay, I'm back. So I guess so it's, I think it did. Oh, it's still doing it. Okay, trying to build. Let's see what it did. Manifest. Which icon are you using? Icon. Where is the icon? There's no icon. It's just using some icon. There is no icon there. So in, okay, we got a store. Okay, that's fine. Library gradients. Compress types, fine. Client. Okay, okay. Firebase is set up. Good. Okay. Oh, what's this? All in that. Okay. Let's see. I think it should fix this. But let's see what's it gonna do. Yeah, we'll do git usage also. Okay, now let's see what's project initialized is what created, auth main canvas circle entry. Okay, I'm excited maybe. I don't know. Let's just try and run dev and see how will this look. Where is it? Okay. Okay, hopefully if it works it's good. Finding the CR quit. Why is it making a mobile app? I said don't make a mobile app. It's just okay. So now I should use it like mobile app. So it's purely PWA. Okay, new. I like these gradients. Interesting. Circles. Okay, I need to sign in. Okay, I guess I need to first create the buckets here. So let's create Firestar. Let's create the I don't know, Firebase is very slow at times. Why, I'm not sure, but yeah, it's slow. Let's leave it at defaults maybe, or okay, let's give India next. Okay, let's do production mode only. But I didn't like the mobile UI. I mean, not liking, but I also want the desktop users to use the app, not just the mobile users. Make the UI to be responsive and for both types of users. Let's see what it will do. I didn't ask for a fancy UI, so maybe that is the reason why it's just going with very minimal stuff. So let's see what's it gonna do. I still I'm not sure what it actually did much. So security authentication. Okay, let's give only email. I don't know what did it do. Layout, no, sorry, client, my result, get file result, p. Where is it using it? Okay, sign with pop-up, fine. Is it only it's using Google? Is it using Apple? No, I think it's only why Google. Okay, then I need to create Google and email both. So let's create. Okay, let's create Google. Okay, enable. Okay, save. Okay, so we got we got the database, we got the authentication we need. Storage, I guess. Storage. Okay, I need to upgrade this now. Okay, I'm just gonna we'll just try out the normal database related thing, and we'll get back to storage once I give my credit card. All right, let's just, oh, it's still doing something. Okay, you do your work. I'll just see what I think it. I thought it gave me the permissions list. It should give a permission list, otherwise how would I use that? It didn't give me a permission list, so I need to get a permission list for this to paste in Firebase. Yeah, it didn't give me anything. Just building. Okay, let's just try. Okay, this is fine, I guess. This looks good. Maybe I need to add an image over here and then add a gradient. Oh, it's a, is it a filter? I think that's a filter. Okay, let's try to sign in. I'll just create a, oh, I need to sign up. Let's sign up. Okay, let's create something. John Doe. That's pretty normal name. Okay, John Doe. That's it. Okay, we got an error already. Great. So we need permissions to access. Okay, we'll just get ready with the next prompt then. Oh, okay. Okay, just took the prompt. I think open source doesn't constitute my second line shift enter shortcut. So let's just see what we'll do with this. Allow. Okay. Where was paste this? Yeah, I want to paste this. Okay, don't worry, I'm just gonna paste it and I'm just gonna delete the project, so not a problem if I show the permissions to you guys. So we're gonna paste, publish. So that's published. So let's refresh. Okay, still I got an error. The query needs, okay, I need to create an index for this, otherwise it's not gonna work. So let's create the index. Okay, oh, I forgot which one. Yeah, which one this? I guess this will take a while to load the whole thing. That's gonna take a while then. Okay. Oh, okay. So while it awaits, let's go and see something. I can't create anything until that completes. So, okay, your circles, no circles yet. Create a circle, join a circle, invite code. Okay, it created a good, um, maybe a good way to do this, but mhm. What is it doing? I thought it gave me rules. Oh, okay. Login if you have two options to deploy it. Oh, I don't need them anymore. Why is oh, okay? It's giving me more info what to do. Okay, so is this fixed? Leave it. Oh, it's not fixed. Oh, it's taking a lot of time building the index. Okay, it's still creating. I don't know how much time will it take, but it will take. But I guess we are logged in, so authentication is good. So we just need to do our here. No, not here. In sessions bar. So this is Firebase. Yeah. So here we have the user object. So that's good that it's logged in. We just need this to complete. I'm just gonna wait in silence because Firebase is making me wait. That's gonna take a while. Okay, let's see if we have some good jokes maybe. Let's try out programmer jokes maybe. Okay. Jokes. Okay. Why Google is not giving me jokes? Programmer jokes. Google. And now it's giving me. I don't know why Google sometimes it doesn't respond like actual AI in Google search, but sometimes it's irritating because now I'm used to it. I just wish I'm just reading these rather than this. I know that's bad, but that's what's happening now. I mean, Google has turned me into this AI craver. I don't know. Okay, I guess these jokes will try. Why do programmers prefer dark mode? Because light attracts bugs. Well, I'm not using dark mode. So joke's on you. I mean, I'm using dark mode, but not every. Why can't I use it here? Well, I don't know. Reading is good with white, maybe. The Google developer. What does a Google front-end developer do when they get an internal server error? They quietly sit there, waiting a lifetime for someone else to look at their error 500 page. Great joke. Because Google is creating its own jokes. Reddit is your place for programmer humor. We can go. Oh, programmer dad jokes. Great. Oh, they actually have a picture of someone's dad. Maybe I don't know. Okay, I win every fight against my coworkers. because I know what to do when push comes to push hyphen force. Okay. Okay. Don't use kit in anger. Wow, this is such a good one. Thank you. Do you guys get this? Like push hyphen force? Did anyone get this? So this is basically that what I think is when you're trying to push, right, and you don't have a choice that you're gonna have conflicts and your branch is very old or your branch is not up to the latest or something, then you just do a push force and everyone will gonna panic just because that's that's tail that branch is tail and you're just creating a lot of problems in your code. You're just mixing everything up. That's a problem. My girlfriend and I are doing a code review, but we disagree on almost every line of code. We are going through a bit of rough patch. Interesting. This is the best one I've seen in many months. Stole it immediately and received many satisfying grants from colleagues. I stole it. That is fort. Wow, this is a joke. This is a joke. I don't know why I'm not laughing, but that's a joke. I saw some good joke somewhere. I'm not getting what it is. Okay, let's see what it's cannot this. Where is oh, it's enabled now. Yeah, so now we can test our app. So let's refresh. Okay, we need to remove that flash of sign in. That's a problem with Firebase. Apps usually slowly it will authenticate, so let's create a new spitball. Okay, I guess I need to let me just check if I have some images. Okay, I'm just gonna upload this image. So oh, I can edit. Oh, sorry. Why did you keep edit icon there? I thought it's for editing. That's bad. Okay, what does this do now? Huh? Nothing's happening. Maybe it's gonna give a background or something. Okay, let's try some blue maybe. Yeah, let's try some blue, but no, it's not match. Okay, let's do a contrast, not matching. Okay, 3 words. Give me 3 words, people. Let's get from chat. Give me 3 words. Word number 1, 2, 3. I'll just I'll just Google it if I don't get it from the chat. I see the audience are not very. We don't have much bigger audience, but yeah, let's see. Plus my stream delay is a bit slow. Let's see if we'll get some new. Okay, sunlight. Okay, word number 2. We'll say road. that's the route we are going. Huh. Okay, we are just trying to get something from here. What was I totally forgot the plot of the product actually. At this point, what's the product's plot? Every day at a random time, users get a notification to drop one single image, a three word phrase, and a color gradient representing their day. App converts these daily spitballs into a beautiful interactive evolving daily quilt. Or so this is for another person or the same person. Oh, this is gonna be shared. Okay. Now I got it. So we'll just say trees. Okay, I'm just gonna take everything from the image. Okay, let's see how that goes. Maybe we need fireworks or something. Oh, okay. Oh, I think it's the image. Okay, I think it's the image problem. Let me just connect my paid account there, and let's see how that goes. Okay, new. Okay, I'm back. So I guess we could just. I thought it's created. Okay, now I'm gonna create the storage account here. Let's see. I don't know, Firebase tend to be very slow in their website. I don't know why. Sometimes. So I guess we need to give rules here too. So generate Firebase storage rules for the app to work correctly. The Firebase storage rules are in production mode default. Okay, let's get the right rules. Okay, I think we can just take it and paste it. Okay, we'll just copy this and we'll go paste it there, done, publish. Okay, that's it. Now hopefully the third time is a lucky day, lucky time, right? It's lucky one. Oh, it's still not on a, still up. What's happening? Okay, what's the problem? Submit unauthorized. Should I refresh? Nope. What's the problem? Unauthorized. Why is it unauthorized? Okay. Maybe we'll just log out and log in. Maybe. Thought it will work. Apparently, it's not working. Right? Okay. So why not great? Hey, why is it saying unauthorized? Huh. And it also didn't give me a good error message over there. Okay. Why am I getting message when I click submit spread button? I have all the permissions placed. What is the problem? Let's see. I'm just gonna type in like a human, like not just a human, like with. I'm just gonna make it like I don't know anything about code or something. But let's see what we're gonna do. Because the storage is working, but for some reason, oh, it's still saying out upgrade. Yeah, it's available. See, I don't think that's the problem. Five user. I don't think that's the problem. Is that the problem? User ID is the problem. State, get out state, get user, okay, user must be signed in, fine. Oh my god, that's what's happening. Invalid to input for tool edit. Using doesn't fail, blah blah blah. Okay, it's doing something but it's not working. I think I need to create a Git repository for this. I think this will go beyond our limits. The changes we can't even know what changes it's gonna do. So we don't know. So is it? Issues fixed. Entry page was sending the fetch with no authorization header at all. Now it calls user.getID token and sends it as bearer token. API route was only checking for the string prefix bearer but never verifying the token or extracting the user ID. Now it calls getAuth to cryptographically verify the Firebase ID and ID token and use the real user ID instead of pending when writing to Firestore. Okay, that's a bunch of words. I don't know if it will work, but hope it works. Sunlight road race. Oh, now it's a new message. Intel server error. Okay. The default Firebase app does not. Make sure you call initialize app before. What? It didn't do that? I thought it did. It's not initializing the app. It's initializing the app. What are you saying? I thought it's doing it. Okay, let's try once. Was I on? Fix. Nope. So why are we getting this problem? Let's ask AI. We're not going to touch much. We're not going to touch the code. Let's just send. What's the problem? What is the problem? Big pickle. It's called before get admin initializes code. Why are you asking for get admin now? Why do we need get admin? What are you doing? Need to get out from the initialized app. Why do we even need get admin? I don't understand. See, it's still not working, right? Why are they saying that it's gonna work? Nope, that's not working. Wait. Oh, that's. Why do you need admin is what I'm confused. Why do you need admin? Where did it create admin? Route. Why? Why are you using the route? You could use an action. Okay, I'm not gonna give ideas. Let's ask we'll just ask the questions and it will fix it. Hopefully, let's see. Service account. Dude, why are you asking everything to me? Why do we need to be using the admin API? We could just use the user APIs. Fix this. What is it thinking? It's just making something else. You're right, we can do everything client side with the Firebase client SDK. No API route needed for submission. Then why did you use it in the first place? That's the problem. Most football permission new client and storage plus Firebase Firestore directly. Admin SDK for submit route or delete it. Verify builds. succeeds. What are you doing exactly? I'm gonna get sleeping. Huh. Done. Removed as admin SDK entirely. The flow is now fully client side. Client compresses image. Client uploads to. Okay, it better work. Sunlight. Road. Wait. Oh, finally something useful maybe. User does not have permission to access pitballs slash blah blah thumbnails in. Okay, maybe the permission is wrong. What's the permission for the bucket? So allow read if true, allow write if request.auth is not equal to null. Okay, let's say. Okay, I'm getting sleep. This is just like, I don't know why these errors are happening. It's a new project. Why are you doing all this problem? First UID date file but roles only match to include huh. So we need to update to user ID date file name. Okay, let's do that. User ID. Okay, user ID. Okay, and do we need any? Okay, we need copy. Yeah. So will that work? Maybe, I don't know. Yep. So let's try but let's try another time. Let's see if something works. Let's hope it works. It's been the nth time. So something's happening. Oh my god, it worked and it didn't work. Great. So I need to add this in the next config, the host name. Let's just make AI do that too. Can you fix this host name problem? Let's see what will it do. It would basically create a next config entry here. So let's see. We're almost there, yeah, almost. After n attempts, we are getting closer. Remote pattern L3H Google user, yeah. So here one is for Firebase images, the other one is for Google. We have Google authentication, so for that Google authentication images, the profile pictures, this is the host. So that's good. So let's try one last time. I hope so. I hope it's gonna be one last time. I don't know. Okay, let's change sunlight road freeze. Okay, let's try this now. Yay, we got them. Oh my god, the excitement is gone now. Wow, where is my quilt? What's where is the data, dude? What's happening? I need to ask the flow now. Okay, I created a spitball and okay, I created a spitball and the app redirected me to the what is that quilt page, but nothing is showing up. What is the actual flow of the app? So we created an app where we don't know what's the app. That's great. We don't know what's the flow. We don't know what's the workflow. We just created the app. That's it. That's the problem. Okay, the query uses where user ID, user ID, okay, query composite okay, it's trying to fix the okay. You just drop the Firebase order by which requires a composite index and sort clients. Okay, sort client instead. Actually, where plus on any file still needs an index. Let me just remove the Firestore ordering entirely and sort it in JS. Let's see. It's creating. Is it creating the quilts? What are quilts? Built. Spitball on mobile first. What are you talk? Why? What? What are you talking about? Okay, it's giving me the whole history. Okay, build a spit. Uh, okay. Let's just wait for it to complete. That's a lot of information for just a workflow. Okay, build spitball. Okay, you complete your thing. You're not making me read. Okay. I hope this fixes everything and we'll get a good app now, at least now. Build passes a fix, removed Firestore order by which require a composite index and sort client side. Let's see the app, let's see the work state. WordPress visual microjournal PW where users submit daily one image plus 3 words, mode gradient viewable as a quilt grid and shareable in private circles. So you need a circle and you need to share it in that. So that's the whole point of spitball. So what state completed and blah blah blah, active block, next move user deploys. I asked for a workflow, right? I don't remember. Hey, where is the quilt I've created? Why the canvas is showing up blank? Fix remove and sort client side. Okay, so I should basically restart. Okay, restart. Okay, done. Where is the quilt? Are we getting the data? Something? I don't think we are getting anything. blah blah, we're not getting anything great. I am seeing a blank quilt page. Is it actually stored in Firebase or not, first of all? Yeah, it's stored. Huh. Why is it not showing up? I think it's a mishap somewhere. Okay, looks fine. Simpleware. Okay, quilt grid. Now add some console login. Is something wrong in this? Is Firestore working correctly? Well, it created two files. Other there's only one file. Huh. Okay, I guess we need to remove these things and start again. Maybe that's the problem. I'll just delete this. We'll delete this one. Okay. Oh damn, I just wow. I just removed everything and now it's working. Great. I need to do this again then. I missed. What's the other one? Please. Submit. Finally. Okay. Reopen. What? Oh, that's the card. This is the quilt. Okay. So we got, but why is the date invalid? Fine. That's fine. That's fine for me. So what's the next thing? So it just created the basic thing, like, okay. Next, my user deploys updated storage folder. Okay, what's next in the MVP? I will just create a new circle. I will just how do we open? Okay, I need to open a new window somewhere here. Okay, settings, sign in. Okay, sign in is not working. Great, something's wrong. Let me check what's built and what's still missing. Okay, why is this doing this? Mine. We did get our small win for the day. Yeah, I'm just gonna close it once. Oh my god, I just opened a different. Hey, what's happening? But this is working. Oh, let's open Firefox then. Thought it was working. Yeah, sign in. We'll create a new account. Okay, I need to remember all these accounts. These are confusing. What's the new account's name? Quill. I don't know. Quill mail account. Let's create. Okay. Oh, I can't. Okay. So we need to create a circle for this to share between people. So we'll say the nature circle. We create the circle. Okay, the circle is created. Invite code is this. So when we go into our now here if we paste the invite code and say join, hey, we joined the nature circle. Great. So now we are in the circle now. Is it? Something's happening. Okay, I need an index here. But yeah, that's how it should work, I think so. Just get this index first. Okay. Okay, let's save, create this.